Shri Gurubhyo Namaha children. This is 12th standard business maths chapter 3 exercise 3.2 17th sum. The marginal cost function of a commodity is given by marginal cost equal to 14,000 by root of 7x plus 4 and the fixed cost is given as 18,000. Don't think as k equal to 18,000, it is c equal to, because there is no output, x equal to 0. Find the total cost because they are asking about the total cost and average cost. Average cost, what is the formula for average cost? Average cost is C by X. First you should find out the value of the total cost. Marginal cost MC equal to, what is the value they have given? 14,000 by root of 7x plus 4. What is the meaning of the root? Whole power 1 by 2. Marginal cost is rate of change of cost according to the time taken. Rate of change of cost dc by dx equal to 14,000 into, can bring it to the numerator, 7x plus 4 whole power minus 1 by 2. 7x plus 4 whole power 1 by 2, that square root means bring it to the numerator, 7x plus 4 whole power minus 1 by 2. So, variable separable. dc equal to 14,000 into 7x plus 4 whole power minus 1 by 2 into dx. You bring dx to the numerator. Integrating on both the sides. Integral dc equal to integral 14,000 7x plus 4 whole power minus 1 by 2 into dx. The integral dc equal to, it is constant, you can take it out, 14,000 integral 7x plus 4 whole power minus 1 by 2 into dx. What is the value of integral dc? C equal to 14,000 into x power n formula, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. 7x plus 4 whole power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1. What is the coefficient of x? X is 7, so you can write into 7. You can write the coefficient of x in the denominator. Here the coefficient of x is 7. So you can write it here into 7. Don't put c. You can put plus k or k1. So c equal to 14,000 into 7x plus 4 whole power, you can take it as 2 as the LCM, 1 by 2 minus 1 plus 2 whole divided by 2 is 1 by 2 by 1 by 2 into 7 plus k. You cancel that 7 and 14,000, you get the value 2,000. You bring the 2, you reciprocal that 1 by 2, that 2 comes into the numerator. C equal to 2000 into 2. That 1 by 2 reciprocal the value 2000 into 2 into 7x plus 4 whole power 1 by 2 plus k, whole power 1 by 2 plus k. So, C equal to 4000 into, C equal to 4000 into 7x plus 4 whole power 1 by 2 plus k. See here, in this sum fixed cost is given as 18,000. You don't think as k equal to 18,000. Previously we have done k value as, you have assumed as 18,000. But here there is no output. If there is no output, x equal to 0, obviously c value is, cost value is what? 18,000. Cost value is 18,000. So you can substitute in this equation. Then substitute in the equation 1, c equal to 18,000 equal to 4,000 into 7 into 0 plus 4 whole power 1 by 2 plus k. 18,000 equal to 4,000 into 4 whole power 1 by 2 plus k. 18,000 equal to 4,000 into what is the square root of 4? 2 plus k. So 18,000 equal to 8,000 plus k. 18,000, you bring the term to this side, minus 8,000 equal to k. What is the value of k? K equal to 10,000. You can take it as k or k1, anything. What is the value of c? C equal to 4,000 into root of 7x plus 4 plus k. 7x plus 4 plus k, you can substitute the value k equal to 1000 in this equation. C equal to 4,000 into 7x plus 4 whole power 1 by 2 plus 10,000. This is your total cost. What is your average cost? Average cost equal to C by x, where x not equal to 0. C by x, where x not equal to 0. What is the value of C? 4,000 into 7x plus 4 whole power 1 by 2 plus 10,000 whole divided by x. So average cost equal to 4,000 into 7x plus 4 whole power 1 by 2 by x plus 10,000 by x, where x not equal to 0. See the 18th sum. If the marginal cost of the production of the company is directly proportional to the number of x unit produced, then you should find out the total cost function when the fixed cost is 5,000 and the cost of producing 50 unit is 5,625. If the fixed cost is given, normally we can do it as x equal to 0, c equal to that value, then you should find out the value of k. Generally we have seen many sums c equal to x plus k. So you can write k value as that fixed total cost amount, that is fixed cost amount 5,000. But you have to do in this way. See here, marginal cost. Marginal cost is directly proportional. What is that meaning? Directly proportional. Marginal cost is directly proportional to x. Directly proportional to x. What is marginal cost? dc by dx. dc by dx is directly proportional to x. When we remove that proportionality sign, we can include constant. So how we have to do? dc by dx equal to k into x. dc by dx is directly proportional to x. When we remove this one, you can put k, constant. dc by dx equal to k into x. You can put k1. Okay. See here, dc equal to k1x into dx. You can bring it to the next side, that dx. Integrating on both the sides. Integral dc equal to k1 is constant. Integral dx. Integral dc equal to k1 into integral x dx. See here, c equal to k1 into x power 1, x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So x square by 2. This constant you can put it as what? K2. K2. First, what is given? Fixed cost is 5,000. Normally we are going to do this method only. See here, then there is no output. X equal to 0, c equal to 5,000. X equal to 0, C equal to 5000. So 5000 equal to K1 into 0 by 2 is 0 plus K2. So what is the value of K2 here? K2 equal to 5000. K2 equal to 5000. C equal to K1 into x square by 2. Substitute in this first equation K2 value plus what is the value of K2? 5000. See here, when the fixed cost is 5000, you found the value of K1, then you find the value of K2. Now we are going to find out the value of K1. See 50 units. What is that 50 units? Output. X equal to 50. What is the value of C they have given? 5625. C equal to 5625. You can substitute in this equation. Second equation. So C equal to, what is the value of C? C equal to 5625. C equal to 5625 equal to K1 into 50 square. 50 square by 2 plus 5000. See, C equal to 5625 equal to K1 into 50 square by 2 plus 5000 plus 5000. See here, 5625 minus 5000. You bring the 5000 to the left hand side, it gives minus K1 into 50 square is what? 2500. 50 square is 2500 by 2. 2500 by 2. What is the answer for this? 625. 625 equal to K1 into 1250. K1 into 1250. So K1 equal to 625 by 1250. K1 equal to 625 by 1250. You cancel that term. It gives 1 by 2. What is the cost function, ma? C equal to K value is what? 1 by 2 into x square by 2 plus 5000. So C equal to x square by 4. C equal to x square by 4 plus 5000. This is the total cost function. See the 19th sum. If marginal revenue equal to 20 minus 5x minus 3x square, find total revenue function. That is capital R. Marginal revenue equal to 20 minus 5x minus 3x square. What is the meaning for that marginal revenue? dr by dx. dr by dx. Rate of change of revenue according to the time taken. It gives 20 minus 5x minus 3x square. dr equal to 20 minus 5x minus 3x square into dx. Integrating on both the sides. Integral dr equal to integral 20 minus 5x minus 3x square into dx. So integral dr equal to r. 20 into dx is 20x minus 5x square by 2 power 1. We can apply integral x power n into dx formula. Minus 3x cube by 3 plus k. 3 get cancel. R equal to 20x minus 5x square by 2 minus x cube plus k. When there is no product sold, x equal to 0 or equal to 0. That is, revenue equal to 0, input is also 0. What is the value of k? 0 equal to, all the term contains x. So 0 into any number? 0 plus k. So it gives k equal to 0. So what is the value? Total revenue R 20x minus 5x square by 2 minus x cube, k value is 0. Marginal revenue equal to 14 minus 6x plus 9x square. Find the demand function. What is the demand function? R by x. Demand function P equal to R by x. See here, marginal revenue equal to 14 minus 6x minus 9x square. Marginal revenue is what? dr by dx. dr by dx equal to 14 minus 6x minus 9x square. dr equal to 14 minus 6x minus 9x square into dx. Integrating on both the sides. Integral dr. r equal to 14x minus 6x square by 2, because integral x power n formula, minus 9x cube by 3 plus k. 14x minus 6x square by 2 minus 9x cube by 3 plus k. Cancel the value. What is the value for this? See here, r equal to 14x minus 3x square minus 3x cube plus k. When there is no product sold, x equal to 0, revenue, r equal to 0, 0 equal to all the terms having x term. So 0 into any number? 0. So k value is also 0. Therefore r equal to 14x minus 3x square minus 3x cube plus 0. r equal to 14x minus 3x square minus 3x cube. Average, that is demand function. Demand function P equal to, demand function P equal to, what is the formula? Yeah, it's correct, R by X. Demand function P equal to R by X, where X not equal to 0. Where X not equal to 0. See the demand function P equal to, what is the value of R? 14x minus 3x square minus 3x cube by x. Therefore, P equal to 14x by x minus 3x square by x minus 3x cube by x. You cancel the term. What is the value for this? What is the value for P? P equal to 14 minus 3x minus 3x square. It's your demand function. Shri Gurubhyo Namaha, children. This is 12th standard business maths, chapter 3, exercise 3.3. Calculate the consumer surplus. And if the demand function P equal, we have already seen that consumer surplus and producer surplus in the 11th standard itself. See here, calculate the consumer surplus if the demand function P equal to 50 minus 2x and x equal to 20. What is the formula for demand function? Demand function, what is the value for the demand function? Demand function P equal to, it is given in the question itself, demand function P equal to 50 minus 2x. What is the consumer surplus formula? Consumer surplus equal to integral 0 to x naught output f of x dx minus p naught x naught. Integral 0 to x naught f of x dx minus p naught x naught. So what is that x naught? X equal to 20. You can take it as the output x naught equal to 20. Demand function P naught equal to 50 minus 2 x naught. So you can substitute the value 50 minus 2 into 20, substitute x naught equal to 20. It gives 50 minus 40, the value is what? 10. What is the value of P naught x naught? P naught x naught equal to, P naught is 10, x naught is 20, so it gives 200. Therefore, consumer surplus equal to integral 0 to, what is that x naught value? 20. The limit is 0 to 20 units. Okay, 0 to 20. F of x is what? 50 minus 2x. F of x is 50 minus 2x minus P naught x naught is 200. P naught x naught is 200. Then you should find out the value of consumer surplus now. So it gives integration of 50 is 50x minus 2x square by 2. The limit is 0 to 20 minus x naught p naught. So you can write separately minus 200. 2 get cancelled. Now you can substitute the upper limit minus lower limit. Consumer surplus equal to upper limit is 50 into 20 minus 20 the whole square. Upper limit 50 minus 20 minus 20 the whole square. What is the lower limit? Lower limit is 0. Any number, because x values are there, any number multiplied by 0, you are getting the value 0. So it is 0 only, minus 200. So it gives consumer surplus equal to 1000 minus 400 minus 200. 1000 minus 400 is 600 minus 200. 600 minus 200 is what? Consumer surplus equal to 600 minus 200 is 400 units, because it is a output, so 400 units.